here at Sun Enterprises trying to determine what to do here to go with the Erzberg edition 300 XCW. Woo, man, it's a good looking bike. Incredible. Looks like it comes with some extra goodies. The radiator guards nowadays that are a little more stout on them. Anodized triple clamps. Got the hand guards. Got the map switch. Slave guard here. Oh, little guard here as well. Bulletproof design style. Man, that's a good looking bike. Comes with a skid plate. Got the fan on there. Fantastic looking bike, man. If it were you, what would you guys do? Go Erzberg edition or go with the standard? All right, got the standard 300 XCW. Incredible looking bike, man. I love this gray color scheme they got going on with these nowadays. Doesn't quite have all the little extras that the Erzberg does, but not sure we need all those. Man, incredible looking bike though. If it were you, which one would you go with? Standard version or the Erzberg? All right, here at Sun Enterprises. Pretty stoked. Picking up a couple new bikes today. Gotta love the Erzberg 300 XCW. Man, look at all these anodized parts, man. Anodized hubs, triple clamps. It's got the hand guards, got the map switch. Radiator guards are a little more enforced. Got the fan, got the skid plate, got the rear disc guard. Hubs are sick, dirt starter wheels with orange anodized hubs and orange anodized nipples there. Yeah, man. Look at this beauty. Some cool embedded graphics. Hard to see probably. It's got all the Erzberg stuff there. Tugger straps, front and rear. I like that it comes with the super sprockets, anodized sprocket. Looks like they're coming with the bulletproof designs, aluminum there. Got the 6 days ribbed seat. Slave guard, skid plate. Like it's got these reinforced radiator guard stock now. Disc guard. Good looking bike, man. All right, we're down here today at Sun Enterprises picking up a couple bikes. Super thankful for the great job these guys have done with us. Mark, thank you. Brian, thank you. Gage, thank you so much for your help. Picking up a couple KTMs today. Looks like a 300 XCW Erzberg edition, 250 XC, and a 350 XCW. And we're also picking up a little Honda 250F. Guys, we truly appreciate your business. Thank you for everything you've done for us. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, come see this gentleman and he'll take good care of you. Gage, Brian, thank you. Mark, thank you. Once again, Sun Enterprises. Man, Sun Enterprises has seriously got an excellent selection of KTMs. Man, these guys are really awesome to deal with. It's been truly a pleasure, man, to deal with them. So super thankful for you guys at Sun. Thank you so much. Man, look at all these KTMs. I mean, they got everything in stock. Incredible bikes, man. Got some SX 250s, 350s, 450s. Got an SX 250 right there, two-stroke. Yeah, Got a bunch of Cowies, and a bunch of Hondas as well. Can't say enough good about my experience here today. Has been awesome at Sun Enterprises. Awesome guys, awesome showroom. Got to meet the owner, super nice guy. Thanks again, Sun. Just here down in the parts department here, Sun Enterprises. Got a lot of goodies here for you. Ton of KTM accessories and pretty much everything else you need. Come see Jimmy down at Sun Enterprises. Thanks, Jimmy.
No problem.
All right, guys, got a 2021 Erzberg Rodeo edition, and I'm kind of going to just do a little bit of a video here, just seeing if I think it's worth the little bit of extra money that you pay for an Erzberg or a 6 days. This is an Erzberg. It's going to have even some additional amenities that the 6 days doesn't have. So let me know your thoughts. Is it worth it, the extra little bit of money? This is that limited edition Erzberg Rodeo. So just gonna kind of walk it around and show you what it's got. So it comes with KTM's like hard parts, hand guards. We've had them on another bike. They actually work pretty good. I mean, they can take a pretty solid hit. They're pretty tough. Comes with the map switch on there. Comes with the anodized triple clamp, which I think is pretty cool. Comes with these new beefed up KTM radiator guards, which are kind of interesting. They're just a little beefier than the previous ones that they come with. You can see they're more reinforced. They wrap all the way around there. They stick out further on this side, and then they kind of wrap up and around, as you can see, and then they actually stick out quite a bit there. So they're just given the ability to take a little bigger hit. Comes with a radiator fan. Standard version does not come with a radiator fan. Comes with the hard parts, anodized oil cap there, a little brake tip cable. Man, the graphics on this thing, really hard to see in the video, but the graphics are really, really cool in person. This is almost like a brown gold that's got just a really cool color in it there, color scheme. We got the Erzberg symbol there. Really quite a cool bike. Got the tugger straps. They're pretty awesome. They are pretty cool, man. The way they're reinforced, it gives you a little bit of extra pull on them. You just get that extra pull there. Awesome bike. One thing I am super stoked on, and for me the price alone would be worth it, are the DID Dirt Star anodized hub wheels. I mean, look at these hubs, man. They're just beefy looking, incredible looking, and then you get the anodized nipples as well. Hard to say. This bike even looks better in person, in my opinion, than it does in pictures or videos. It comes with a skid plate on this model. Pretty stoked about that. Comes with the ribbed 6 days style seat, which, man, in my opinion, well worth it. Got a tugger strap here on the rear. Graphics on this thing are just sick. Really, really like the graphics. They actually look quite a bit cooler in person. And then on the rear, just this big beefy hub, man. Just pretty incredible with the DID Dirt Star wheels, big beefy anodized hub. Comes with the KTM hard parts, rear disc guard. Really good looking piece on there. Really digging this bike, man. Haven't ridden it yet. Just kind of doing a couple break-in warm cycles, heat cycles. Incredible bike though. So really my question is it worth it? With all these extra goodies, really cool Erzberg Rodeo graphics. Is it worth it? Comes with super sprockets, rear sprocket, man. Just the way this anodized hub looks, man, that is a lot of orange, and man, it's good looking. And then, man, it's even got the guard here for the tab so it doesn't break off. That's something I have not seen even on a 6 days bike. So that thing is beefy. And man, look at that aluminum, just tough, and cause those tabs not to break off if anybody's ever had that. come off or rub into your chain and cause issues. You're gonna realize that's a pretty good addition, and they're a little bit spendy as well. Got a slave guard here, which is pretty cool. KTM hard parts. Really dig that. Pretty stoked that they have a skid plate on this guy. It's also got front disc guard on this guy. KTM hard parts there. And then I just can't say enough about how cool these wheels look in person, man, especially with the orange anodized nipples, man. This bike is just, it's definitely a good looking bike. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Hopefully I can get a little better view here for you of the radiator guards on this guy. They are plastic, but man, they're pretty reinforced and beefy there. I honestly think with how far they stick out, they stick out quite a bit past the radiator, just so you get a little bit of protection there. Hard to see in there, but anyhow, 2021 Erzberg Rodeo 300 XCW TPI KTM. What are your thoughts? Is it worth the extra money, or do you just put on all the parts that you want to put on it on a standard edition? This bike is not a whole lot more expensive than a standard 300 XCW. I think it's about $1,000 more, depending on where you're purchasing them at. You might even be able to get a deal. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. Is it worth it? I'm gonna do a little shout out to the guys who sold me this bike, and really stoked on this bike. So anyhow, thanks for watching.